How to set a reminder for health documentation for once in CANKADO Web. Visit our website cankado.com. Please log in with your registered credentials. Click on Health Status under the Diary section. You will get a slider scale on the right side of the screen. To set the reminder for health status, click the clock symbol above the slider. Select your preferred frequency by clicking here. If you want to set a reminder for health documentation only once, select the Once option. Select the date for reminder. Select the reminder time for your health documentation. Click Activate Reminder. Your reminder has been successfully added for once. You can view your added reminders in the Reminders section.